got two holes here that want filling on the board. I've already filled one here and then coated up the board, so this is dry. Dusty plaster will want sealing, so just a little bit of diluted PVA, and I've got some filler with some of the paint mixed into it. So first of all, I'll just pop some over this one. Just wipe the edge there. Wipe the blade on damp cloth. And then these just start to push it into the edges. Make sure you push it in, you get contact with that plaster inside. Just want to neaten this up a little bit. Just wiping a little bit back there. So this is what I used, and I just mixed the background paint in. Easy sand. It's fairly quick drying. Now if this wasn't quick enough for you, then what you could do is use some wood filler. Yeah, quick drying. You'd need a mask. You'll also need ventilation. Also, you'll need some bin primer. The bin primer, with a small brush, like I did with the diluted PVA, you would seal that plasterwork. This isn't designed for the plaster, so it's not going to bond properly. So the bin will help it bond. That's if you're going to do that. A few reasons why I wouldn't. One, this takes 45 minutes to dry, 3/4 of an hour. Then you need to start applying this, which you'll need to sand. So, got my paint ready. I'm just going to cut this in. Okay. And with the roller, what we need to do is get some paint on. If you're doing a large wall, you're going to be working up to this area. So it won't be a problem. Like I say, get paint on first. working up to these areas. One final dip. Okay, leave it, let it dry. Exactly what I did there, just leave it to dry. Dry to the touch, but it's not fully hardened off, but good enough for what I want to do. I'm only waiting for the paint to dry, not waiting for the filler to dry. This one is finished. These two are at the stage that this one was at when I started. So with these now, again, I've only waited for the paint to dry enough so I can do this. So damp cloth and just wipe around the edges. Wipe the blade, a little bit damp and quite flat, just draw that across. A little bit more in that one. Again, I'm not going to wait for the board to dry. So, filler, not board. Board's dry. Okay. Again, start to get some paint on first. Like I say, absolutely no sanding. Final dip. Leave it to dry. Touch dry again. The filler that I just put in, bit here left, not completely dry, almost like plasticine. Okay, didn't do any sanding whatsoever. What you can do when it's touch dry now is with a clean blade, you just gently just draw that over the surface. That one's not too bad there. Okay. And with your paint, before you go, your roller, touch up. Just feather that off. If you want to add a little bit more paint, a bit more texture, just get a heater, dehumidifier, speed it up even more. That's sound, that.